The AI and Automation Revolution, a 15-minute business masterclass. Opening scene. On screen, a high-energy video montage begins. We see a fast-paced sequence of a busy office, a manufacturing line with robots, a person on a phone with an immediate chat response, and a sales team celebrating a successful quarter. The visuals are sleek, modern, and inspiring. Upbeat, cinematic music swells. Presenter, Victor today, standing in a modern, clean office environment, speaking directly to the camera with a confident and engaging tone. The music softens as the presenter begins to speak. Good morning and welcome. Look around your office. Look at your daily tasks. How much of your valuable time is spent on repetitive manual work, on tasks like data entry, scheduling, or responding to the same customer questions over and over again? Imagine for a moment, what if you could change that? What if you could free up your team from the mundane and empower them to do the kind of work that truly matters? Work that requires human creativity, strategic thinking, and emotional intelligence. This isn't a futuristic dream. It's the new reality of business. And at the heart of this revolution are two powerful forces: artificial intelligence and automation. For years, we've heard these words used in headlines and sci-fi movies, but today, they are accessible tools that can redefine your business, regardless of its size or industry. In this masterclass, we will take a deep dive into this topic. We'll explore exactly what AI and automation are, how they are being used to generate real business value, and most importantly, how you can strategically implement them to future-proof your business. On-screen title card: The AI and Automation Revolution, a Business Masterclass. Part 1, The Core Concepts, Deconstructing AI and Automation. On-screen animated graphic, a simple, clean flowchart with two separate columns, automation and artificial intelligence. As the presenter speaks, the graphics animate to represent the concepts. Presenter, Victor today. Before we can harness their power, we must first understand the fundamental differences between AI and automation. Many people use these terms interchangeably, but they are distinct concepts that become truly powerful when combined. First, let's talk about automation. A futuristic 2D flat vector illustration of a character interacting with a glowing flowchart on a computer screen. The flowchart shows a simple linear path from input to output. Automation is the process of having a task or a series of tasks performed automatically, typically following a predefined set of rules. Think of it as a set of logical instructions. If this happens, then do that. It's about efficiency and replication. A simple example of this is an automated email response. When a customer fills out a form on your website, your system automatically sends a thank you email. A more advanced form of this is robotic process automation, or RPA. RPA involves using software robots to mimic human actions in digital systems. An RPA bot can log into an application, copy data from one spreadsheet to another, and even generate a report, all without human intervention. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence. If automation is about following rules, AI is about learning. Artificial intelligence is a system that can analyze data, recognize complex patterns, and make decisions or predictions without explicit programming for every single scenario. It doesn't just follow a set of instructions, it learns from new data to get smarter over time. The key subsets of AI you've probably heard of are machine learning, where a system learns from data to make predictions; deep learning, a more advanced form of ML, often used for image and speech recognition; and natural language processing, which allows computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. The synergistic power of intelligent automation. The true magic happens when you combine AI and automation. This is called intelligent automation. This is no longer about simply automating a predefined task. This is about automating a task while also giving the system the intelligence to make decisions. For example, a traditional automation system can automatically file an invoice, but an intelligent automation system can automatically file an invoice, then use AI to scan the invoice for anomalies, cross-reference it with the purchase order to check for fraud, and even predict the best time to pay the invoice to optimize cash flow. This synergy allows businesses to not only become more efficient, but also more accurate, more strategic, and more competitive. The modern business applications, where AI and automation deliver ROI. A montage of video clips from different sectors: customer service, marketing, finance, and manufacturing. The presenter walks from one side of the screen to the other, as if transitioning between different business departments. Presenter, Victor today. Now, let's move beyond the theory and look at real-world applications. These technologies aren't just for tech giants. They are being applied right now across every industry to solve real business problems and deliver a measurable return on investment. Customer service and support. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants have become a standard in customer service. They are now capable of providing round-the-clock support, answering up to 80% of common customer questions instantly, freeing up your human agents to handle complex or emotionally sensitive issues. Beyond simple Q&A, AI can perform sentiment analysis on customer chats and emails. It can detect frustration or satisfaction and then route the customer to the most appropriate human agent with a full history of their interaction, ensuring a smooth handoff and a better customer experience. Marketing and sales. In marketing, AI is a genuine game changer. It has moved us from one-size-fits-all marketing to hyper-personalized experience for every single customer. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of customer behavior data, what they click on, what they buy, how long they stay on a page, to create incredibly accurate customer profiles. This allows for predictive analytics, where you can identify which leads are most likely to convert, allowing your sales team to prioritize their efforts effectively. AI can automate the creation of marketing content. It can generate personalized email subject lines, social media ad copy, and even blog post drafts, all tailored to a specific audience segment, boosting engagement and conversion rates dramatically. Finance and accounting. In the world of finance, AI and automation have brought unprecedented levels of accuracy and security. Tedious tasks like invoice processing, expense report management, and data entry can be fully automated. But AI goes further. It can analyze financial transactions in real time to detect fraudulent activity and anomalies far faster than any human ever could. It can also forecast future financial trends by analyzing market data and historical performance, giving your leadership team the insights they need to make smarter, more confident business decisions. Human resources, HR. The Human Resources Department is also being transformed. AI is helping companies find the right talent faster and improve the employee experience. AI-powered applicant tracking systems can automatically screen resumes to identify the most qualified candidates for a job, saving recruiters countless hours. It can analyze the language in job descriptions to ensure they are inclusive and attract a more diverse pool of applicants. For existing employees, AI can analyze performance data to identify skill gaps and recommend personalized training and development programs. This leads to a more engaged, skilled, and satisfied workforce. The strategic roadmap, preparing for the future of work. On the backdrop of a visual depicting an employee learning a new technology and a manager having a strategic discussion with their team, the presenter walks to a new section of the set, which has a whiteboard or a large screen showing a strategic plan. Now that we understand the immense potential, the big question remains: how do you get started? Successfully integrating AI and automation into your business isn't just about buying new software. It's about a fundamental shift in your business strategy and culture. Conduct a strategic AI readiness audit. Before you implement anything, take a step back. Analyze your current business processes. Identify which tasks are highly repetitive, rules-based, and high volume. These are the low-hanging fruit for automation. Don't just look for what you can automate, look for where you have a pain point that AI could solve. Start with high-impact, low-risk automation. Don't try to change everything at once. Start with a small pilot project. For example, automate your invoice processing or your email marketing. This allows your team to get comfortable with the new technology and gives you a chance to prove the ROI on a smaller scale. The success of your pilot project will build momentum and give your team the confidence to embrace more complex changes down the line. Invest in your people and foster a culture of learning. There's a common misconception that AI will take people's jobs, but the reality is that AI doesn't replace employees, it augments them. It frees them from the boring, repetitive tasks so they can focus on work that is more strategic, creative, and rewarding. The key to a successful transition is upskilling. Train your employees on how to use new technology. Turn your team into super employees who can work alongside AI to achieve more than they ever could alone.